In this video, we'll be creating the rivet, the final component of the pipe wrench assembly. The rivet plays a crucial role in holding the wrench components together. The drawing files have been attached for reference. You can use them to check dimension. You can also download the file from the link. Now let's start designing. Take new design file. Set your dimensions to mm. Invoke create sketch. Select top plane. Take circle tool. From origin, draw a circle of diameter 12. We can extrude it. Invoke extrude feature. Profile is already selected. Direction symmetric. Measurement wall length. Distance this 34. OK. Isometric view. Invoke create sketch. Select front plane. Take line tool and here vertically from origin, from here downwards draw a straight line, then horizontal line. OK. Then from create arc, 3-point arc. From this both end draw arc. OK. Now we'll give coincident constraint between the point and this edge. Vertical constraint. Now let's give dimension. The length is 6. This distance is 12. And the arc 15. From solid, invoke revolve feature. Profile is selected already. Axis, select this line. OK. Yes. Next we will mirror this feature. From create, invoke mirror feature. Object type, features. From timeline, select revolve feature. Mirror plane, select this top plane. OK. It was a simple component and we have completed designing the rivet. Next we'll give appearance. Go to render workspace. Take appearance and from metal let's give aluminum, polished aluminum. OK. Now render in canvas render. Yes, now the rendering is finished. You can capture the image of rivet from here. OK. Now design workspace. So this is the final design of the rivet and we have given appearance. In next part, we will assemble all the components which we have created and apply joints.